Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. I'm bringing you guys a mall vlog for the first time in forever, and this is gonna be my first mall vlog since I've moved in with Tony. Tony is actually gonna be going with me to do this pickup with you guys. He's currently in his dungeon getting ready as we speak. Today we're gonna be going to one of the malls out here close by, and we're gonna go ahead and try to pick up these Bred toe ones. And from what I've been hearing, apparently it's like hard to pick up or a hard shoe to get, right, babe?
Yeah, it's reckless.
Reckless?
But for smaller sizes,
yeah, I'm grade school, so I may be lucky. So we're gonna go try and see if I can pick these up, no problems, in size 4Y, and we're about to bring you guys along and see how this goes. Hope you guys are ready, and I will check in with you guys in the car. This is Tony's favorite song. We're almost at the mall too. We just made it to the mall. This person's about to kill me. What the hell? So we made it to Gwinnett Place Mall. We're about to go look in here right now and see if I get lucky with these Bred toe ones. Tony's trying to save me.
she trying to go the same way I was trying to push you.
She almost ran me over.
She almost ran me over too.
She don't know how to drive.
Yeah.
The first store that we're going into is the Addictions Consignment Store. Tony actually did do a boutique thing here, but it's a really small store, so, and they usually don't have anything in my size in there. It's usually like resale prices, and also they also just have like men's sizes. Oh, these are cute. What size are these though? 3Y. I did see a few things in there that was cute. There was a 3Y sneaker, but I'm gonna have to pass on those because we already know what we're here for, the Bred toe. Kicks for today. We're gonna first check out DTLR.
DTLR, and then there's a Foot Locker and then a Foot Action down here, and there's also a Champs up top.
This mall though, like, it's sad because everything's pretty much closed in here. And they actually found a dead body here, like recently. DTLR. They still have these. Weren't these the ones you were trying to get me?
Yeah, they never have your size though.
Yeah. 170. These two, right?
Yeah.
You're looking at those?
I feel like they're a little bit, it's probably the same one. I feel like they're different.
No, these were the ones. Oh, these are nice. I like the color.
Yeah.
They're on sale too.
They got a lot of female color, the gum bottoms.
Oh yeah, the olive.
Yeah.
Even better.
Which ones do you like out of all this? You fuck with the olive? These are Alta.
Yeah, I don't like those. I like these more, but I skipped on those. They still got these here too.
Oh damn.
These are sitting.
Yeah.
Well, they're sitting in grade school.
Yeah,
though.
baby feet.
Not in. Not in anything else.
You'll make them people mad out here.
Fila boots, Tim's, 60. That's cheap. I don't like those.
Oh wow.
Look how sad this is though.
Ghost town.
Closed.
Ghost
Closed.
town.
Does smell like food though.
I never did it, but we're gonna do it on your channel. We're
what?
gonna go into this Chinese fucking place.
Oh, have you been in there?
Yes,
it's crazy, right? This mall, they have this store called Mega Mart, and it literally has like a farmer's market. It's like a flea market. It's like has everything in here. Woo. Everything. Fish here, babe. We're in here looking for those spicy noodles. I'm pretty sure y'all are gonna be like, this mall vlog just took a left turn, and it did. But we're gonna get back to the sneakers in a few. We just gotta find these noodles real quick.
Which one?
It's this pink bag.
That's 4?
Yep, Mala.
Oh. What does it say 4 though? Because look, what is that?
That's with cheese. Google it, baby. This is the next one. That's the hottest one ever. Mala.
Make myself eat.
Or is it this curry one? They got curry too. Just got the noodles.
These are basically being stated as 4 times hotter than your average. Actually, not really 4 times hotter. Less hot than the original bag.
Oh, really? Yeah, D Money and Jesse, if y'all are down, let us know. If you guys didn't already know, Tony and I do have a channel together, so be sure to subscribe to Tony and Nikki as well. But go ahead and get back to these sneakers. Apparently at this food court, they found, you don't want to walk down there?
No.
They found a body and like a closed down. No, it's not, you can't even see it from over here. It's like a corner. Foot Locker's here, so story time ended. True Blues still sitting. Wow, I didn't get these yet.
You like them?
Yeah, I do. I'm gonna have to get them soon. They have the 8s too.
Yeah, those are sick. Those fit.
These two are here. By the way, we're in kids section. Sitting.
Death.
The men's section, we got all these Gatorades sitting. Champ Sports, shout out to Champ Sports for the 13s and for always blessing Tony, right?
Yes, thank you.
They blessed me and him, amen. I got those.
Yeah, everybody got them.
I haven't seen the 13s, where are they? Oh, whoa,
oh, yeah,
wow, they're right there. I kind of like these too, but then they're gonna drop the 12 too. Sheet of chance. So here, 119. By the way, someone asked me what kind of socks I like to wear my sneakers. I like to wear no-show socks like this, just because you can't see them, or stuff like this too. Very comfortable. Oh snap, smooth. Went to Champs, Foot Locker. What else did we go to? DTLR. None of them have them. So now we're about to go to Foot Action to see if I can get lucky with these. So, cross your fingers, wish me luck. I'm not gonna lie, I smell food and it smells so good. Tony and I have not eaten at all, and it is currently, what time is it? Like 3 o'clock?
4:36.
4:30. Let's see what they got. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, I like these. Whoa. What do we have here? Could it be true? 120. What size are these? Can't even see. These are 5 wide. This is crazy. They still got these too. But yeah, we're about to check and see if we got my size. Oh, snap, y'all.
Man, come here too.
4 wide.
Some more shoes, like some unreleased sneakers.
Okay, wait. Can I try them on?
They're working?
Yep. They looking good in this dirty mirror. Yes. We lit. Got lucky. Huge shout out to Foot Action, because y'all came through. Y'all the only store that still got them on the wall. That's clutch. About to drop 2.
Next week, right?
Yep, on 3rd.
Yep.
Thursday. I mean, on the 3rd. I mean, yeah, my bad. It's the 3rd.
Those 9s look nice.
Yeah.
Those are really nice.
These are Breds, or these just Bred 9s?
Those are really nice in here.
270s hoops, and then these right here, the ones I got on feet, but like a newer version. I like them. I'm gonna get those. What's the release date on that?
Those look really weird.
These, I
Those
think,
9s?
March.
These?
March 1st.
March 1st?
Ooh.
I don't got these now. That's the only ones I got. But I'm gonna get the white ones. The white ones I still might have to grab.
And it just happened, your girl got lucky and I was able to cop a pair of the Bred toes at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Shout out to Foot Action, because they still had the 4 wide, 4.5 wide, and 5 wide in stock. So if y'all are near the Gwinnett Place area, if you guys fit those sizes, you might want to go over to Foot Action and check it out, because they got it on the wall. Right, babe?
Yes.
Did I get
Shout
lucky?
out to Foot Action. Yes, ma'am. You lucky you got small feet too.
Yeah.
A lot of people ain't lucky.
I know, I heard.
Next
You
up
made a
though,
video,
I'm
right?
about to get lucky. You see some boobs at Hooters.
He tripping, but no, we are about to go to Hooters and get some food. They got some good shrimp and some good wings.
And some good tings.
Ready? What are you gonna order?
Probably some wings. Some like some shrimp pussy in here.
Oh my god. Hooters life. Those shrimp right there.
Yeah, starts Thursday. I know. Officially, we gotta show them the calendar on Tony and Nikki. Don't show too much, babe. We gotta save it for Tony and Nikki.
Yeah. Just got home. 4Y. And these Bred toe one. Huge shout out to Foot Action for coming out. Yeah, shout out. Look at the puppy.
Nicole.
Yeah, shout out to them for hooking your girl up. with this pair. You guys stay tuned because I will be doing a full closer look and review on these sneakers. I'm most likely gonna post it on Monday, but like for real though. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'm so happy I got these in hand. Again, I'm gonna be posting a video on Monday with the review on these, and tomorrow I should have the Black Cement 3 review up as well, so stay tuned for that. And again, this is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, peace.